cause he ain't coming. Tomorrow night is the single most important night in the history of WWE because change is coming. Tomorrow night is about the future of WWE, and the future is right in front of you. The Vision is walking into the Royal Rumble, and I am walking out the winner, and I'm gonna go on to main event WrestleMania.
Gentlemen.
And when I get there, I don't care if it's CM Punk, I don't care if it's Drew McIntyre, or Cody Rhodes, or Roman Reigns, or any one of these old-timers, old staying there, welcome. The fact is, I'm walking into WrestleMania, I'm gonna main event, and I'm walking out the new heavyweight champion of the world.
Excuse me, gentlemen.
And WWE will belong to the Vision.